Yeah, I still suck at putting these in. So I'm gonna use a little hand mirror. And I heard you gotta look down. Wait, which one's right? See, y'all, I'm so stupid. Okay, wait. You know, what? We're gonna use our fingers because, like, this is gonna take a minute, okay? Oh, it's on. Wow, I did not know it was filming. Okay. Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a review on these contacts that I just ordered. Well, I didn't just order them. I kind of been putting off this video because you see, I never worn contacts before, and I'm not gonna just, you know, come on here and be like, it takes time to get used to, like, learn how to put them in, and I still haven't mastered it yet, okay? And y'all will see. So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. Okay, so let's get started. Put this right here. The contacts that I ordered are from Ttdeye. And wow, okay, see, my box kind of got soaked. It's a story to that, but I'm not gonna say it. Okay, so I ordered these contacts from Ttdeye. I ordered them, they didn't send them to me. Okay, so I just want to put that out there. It's not sponsored, I'm just doing a review. And it comes with a nice box, you know, it's pretty, got the contact lens on it and everything. And then on the back it has instructions on how to put these in. You see, I read these, but I mean, that didn't really help. So, because I don't know, I don't like reading instructions, I like actually seeing it. They do have pictures, but I like seeing videos. But it was a little helpful, but you know, I had to watch a video, I'm visual. Okay, so in the box, ooh, okay, so the box is not, I lost a box, but I have the contacts. I just lost the box, and I already took all the contacts out. So this is a very ratchet review. Okay, I'm gonna just show you how the contacts look. Okay, but in the box they come with these boxes right here. These are how the contact boxes look. They're very pretty, holographic. And then they have like a sticker of like what color you ordered. You probably can't see it, but my camera doesn't autofocus when I zoom in. Okay, so there you go. I lost the third one. I don't know if I mentioned that. I probably did, but anyways, each contact lens comes in like a little container like this, and it has like a solution in there. I don't know what the solution is. I bought my own solution. I did not bring it. Stupid. But I already have new solution in there. In each contact lens, when I take them out, I put like new solution in there. So when I take them out, I put them right in the new solution, and then it cleans it. Okay. It comes with its own contact case like this. And then it comes with the little thing you use to like put the thing in your eye, and the tweezers. About this, I've tried using this. It works sometimes, but then it doesn't, because you know, you don't want to like poke yourself in the eyeball. So I don't know, maybe when I get better with putting the contacts in, then it'll help. But as for right now, I like using my fingers. Okay, so each contact lens that you order comes with its own case and everything. Really convenient. I love that. Okay, also in the box, in the bottom of the box, they also have like, you get like a 10% off coupon code or whatever. You probably can't see it, but that's in there. I ordered these in February, and I don't know why I got this, but it's like a little Christmas card you can send to somebody. I don't know, but oh wow, y'all, I'm so stupid. I am so stupid. They give you a hand mirror. I'm over here struggling because I didn't have a mirror. And they give you one in the box. You see, y'all, this company really hook you up. Like, wow. I haven't even opened it. Okay. It looks like a pen. You know what? I'm gonna use this today to put the contacts in, okay? I'm gonna use it. Y'all, it's crazy. I had these since February and I'm just now figuring out they had a hand mirror. Wow, stupid. I don't know what these are for. They give you like these foils. Like these glitter foils. They give you like this silver one. They give you a pretty yellow one. And a blue one. It's just foil glitter. It's cute. I'm gonna use it for my nails because I am learning how to do my acrylics. So I'm gonna use that for like some decorations and stuff. Okay, now on to the contacts. Okay, so I'm gonna show you them. What you need is you need to wash your hands. I already washed my hands, but I'm just gonna get some hand sanitizer and, you know, sterilize the hands. Okay, and I'll be right back. I gotta reset my computer because it be clicking off on me sometimes and I don't need to click off on me right now. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm big. Okay, so the first color that we're gonna do is Queen Brown. I ordered Queen Brown. I think, yeah, this is Queen Brown. I ordered 2 browns that look alike, and by the way, for price, I spent like $50 on these. They had a sale, it was like buy 2 get 1 free, so that was a good deal. Okay, but I spent like $50. So I'm gonna try to use the little eye thingy because even though I just washed my hands with sanitizer, I'm gonna just try to use this little thing right here. That's good. I don't know if it matters left or right. I mean, if your eyes are the same size, then, I mean, maybe one eye is worse than the other, but my eyes, I'm perfectly fine, so I don't think it matters. So what you do is you get these tweezers right here, and then you pick up the contact like this. Okay, you put it on here like this. You probably can't see it, but this contact matches my hand color, so you're not going to see it. It's brown, so of course the phone would ring. Yeah, I still suck at putting these in, so I'm gonna use a little hand mirror. And I heard you gotta look down. Wait, which one's right? See, y'all, I'm so stupid. Okay, wait. You know, what? We're gonna use our fingers because, like, with my finger, I could just put my finger on my eyeball and I feel comfortable, you know. This is gonna take a minute, okay? Y'all, we gonna get this. And it flipped inside out. Wow. Okay, y'all. Okay, I looked it. And on top of that, it fell out. Look how much my eyes are watering, guys. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! I'm messing up my Fenty face. Okay, y'all, you know what? I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna be back with these in my eyes, okay? I don't know if it's because I'm on camera. Cause usually, I mean, I still messed up when I take them off, but whoo! I'm not trying to mess up my face, okay? So I'm gonna be right back. And I have them in, okay? Okay. Okay, so I'm back and whew, it was a mess. I've managed to keep my makeup on, but these are the contacts in Queen Brown. I don't know why. I don't know if the camera's blurry. Is it blurry? Okay, but this is how they look. Like this, okay? And if you hear my computer, it's on some stupid mess, and every time I use this program, I'm looking at my computer to see, because I don't have a viewfinder, so I guess it runs a lot of energy. I don't know, but it's making some noise. But this is how they look. It's a pretty brown. I don't know why, but they give me this brownish green, like brown and green put together. Hazel, whatever you want to call it, but like when you really look at them, they look like they're green. The camera's not doing it no justice, but they look like they're like a greenish brown. So they could look green and they could look brown. I don't know, but this is how they look. I'm trying to talk and stall because it took me forever to put these things in, and the fact that I got to take them out and put in another color. I don't know, but this is Queen Brown. I'm gonna put it up here, the name, and I'll be right back, and I'm gonna put in Polar Lights Brown, okay? Okay. Okay, so the color I have in now are Polar Lights Brown, and I know it kind of looks like Queen Brown, but this one is like way lighter, okay? Other one is kind of like an orangey brownish green color, and this one is like a true hazel color, you know? So yeah, I have a Polar Lights Brown. This is one of their popular colors. I've seen a lot of people review this color on YouTube. I don't know why, but I guess it depends on your natural eye color, how some of these show up. Like I know people with green eyes, this look more greenish because their eyes are green underneath. I have dark brown eyes, and this is how they show up. So this is Polar Lights Brown. As for comfortability, they don't really hurt my eyes. Maybe I have like some kind of vision, like I need some kind of like, I need to go get my eyes checked basically, because I got 0/0, and I mean my view is pretty clear, but it's a little blurry. Maybe I gotta get used to wearing contacts or something. But this is Polar Lights Brown. I don't really wear this one that much. The next color, I'm saving that for last because I'm going to keep those in because those are my favorite. Okay. So, yeah. Whew. I don't know why, but these took forever to put in, and y'all, this one right here, this eye gave me a hard time, okay? So these are in the color, ooh, These are in the color Polar Lights Gray, and they are supposed to be gray, but they look like a green color. I wear these like when I get cute, you know, for my makeup and stuff. Now, they also gave you some tattoos in the box, like some pretty tattoos. The last color that I ordered, absolutely my favorite. So I'm gonna just give you a little. I'm gonna just put a PNG right here and then just, yeah. So Polar Lights Gray, it looked green. So I'm gonna zoom out because yeah. So those are all the contacts I ordered from Ttdeye. I know this was the most ratchetest review video ever, but y'all, you gotta bear with me, okay? I'm not good at putting in contacts, so it would have been more professional. Why I look like I'm sitting down? It would have been more professional if I would have like put them in on camera, but y'all saw in the beginning that was not working for me, okay? I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna keep these in for the rest of the day until I take them out. I hope you enjoyed this review. They were kind enough to give me a code for you guys. I had posted a picture on Instagram and they saw it and they DM'd me. If you want to purchase these contacts, you get a 10% discount. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you would like to order these contacts. The code is Breonia Lafaye, my YouTube channel name, and I'll put it right here. And yeah, you could go get your 10% off, and they're already cheap, so it's going to be even cheaper. Okay, so these do last up to a year. Inexpensive. They're not like the Ttdeye brand that costs like $80, and they look just like the Ttdeye lenses. Like, hello, save some money. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please use the discount code that I provided for y'all in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, I don't know how to end it, but I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Well, I gotta get up and